Right, welcome back to our channel. We always look forward to the start of the rhubarb pudding season, and what I'm going to do is show you how to make a rhubarb and apple porridge, which you can have as a dessert or have as a breakfast. We use the rhubarb we got from the allotment. We also use some of our frozen stewed apple from last year. We've still got some in the freezer. So to that, what I do is you chop up the rhubarb roughly and cook it down in a cup of water, and then I'll add the apple, half a cup of sultanas, just a little bit of date syrup to give it a little bit of extra sweetness, but the sultanas do that anyway. And then when it's all cooked down, I'll add the oats and leave the oats in there to soak up all the juices. It's a lovely pudding. As I said, you can have it as a dessert, or you can have it for a breakfast as well. So basically chop up the rhubarb roughly. First rhubarb always cooks a lot quicker because it's nice and soft. So I just put a squirt of the little squirt, give it a bit of sweetness, and I'll chuck the sultanas in there as well at the moment. I won't put the apple or the oats in there yet. I'll let that cook down a bit first. So it's boiling now, so what I'll do is I'll let that simmer for 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'll add the apple sauce to it. That's not taking very long. It's all stewed down. And put in the apple. It's about 1.5 cups of stewed apple, which we got from last year's crop in the freezer. Not quite defrosted, but it's in raw now. I'll leave that in there to defrost. So the apple's all cooked in to the rhubarb now. What I'll do is I'll just pour the oats in, stir them in thoroughly, just turn it off and let it all cook in its own heat now really. What the oats will do is soak up most of the moisture. You've got a lovely porridge which you can have for breakfast or as a pudding. What I'll do is I'll put the full recipe at the end of the video on a card. Hope you try it and enjoy it, and if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to watch further videos. Thank you very much for watching.